triangles often remind me of the shape of the mountains. While the base is wide and stable on the earth, the top is narrow and pointing to the heavens. In this yoga tutorial, we will go over Trikonasana, also known as triangle. We will practice staying wide at the base so that we can reach higher at the top. Bring yourself up to a standing position, starting off in mountain pose. You will find the link to this tutorial up top. Step back with the left foot, keeping the back foot at a 45-degree angle as the front foot is pointing straight forward. Release tension from the front toes as you fully extend the front leg back. Rotate the hips to the left as your right hand reaches down to your shin, your ankle, or your mat. With your left arm, reach up to the sky. As you keep the pose, it is important that your pelvis is tucked in and your torso is in line with your legs. Maintain the chest open and the gaze up to the sky. Avoid bringing the shoulders up to the ears and hold this pose for at least 5 long deep breaths. Once ready, you can continue your journey into Warrior 2, Downward Facing Dog, or Tadasana. Remember, it is important to keep your practice symmetrical, so make sure that you do it on the other side as well. Practice makes perfect, so continue practicing. From my heart to yours, Namaste.